Hey everybody, it is Boy Let's Grub. Boy Let's Grub. How are you guys doing today? I know it has been a long time since I uploaded a video. I'll kind of explain why I'm eating, where I've been at, in a little bit of detail. Um, so today I am doing the um, Flamin Hot Cheetos fried um, pickles with the hot Cheeto crunch on it. I have seen a few people do it. I'm not sure if I've seen Auntie Tessie Mukbang do it or not. I have seen Steph and Tosh, KC Connections, um, and I believe Beloved, if I'm not mistaken. Um, I'm sorry, I meant to write stuff down, but I've been all over the place. So I have that. I also have some spicy noodles here. Um, from the store. It was one of the packages you throw in the microwave for like 5 minutes, 5 or 6 minutes. So I have that. And this is the first time I made the Flamin' Hot Cheeto. Or should I say? So I have that. I have some eggs on deck. And then some ranch to dip all of this in. So I'm gonna say my prayers and we'll get into the video. Lord Heavenly Father, thank you for this food. Let it be a nourishment of my body and upbuilding in my temple. In Jesus' name, amen. I'll actually go back and watch some of, there's so many people I've watched. I actually watch, and I'm sorry, I have so many YouTubers out here now that I've forgotten so many people's names. Um, the young lady who actually had me watch this video. I cannot think of her channel name. It's so many people, and I do apologize. I wanted to say who I actually got the recipe from, but I actually gotten some tips from KC Connections as well. So let's get started. Some hot noodles. And this is the first time I've ever done a Flamin' Hot Cheeto challenge. Um, there were so many people I've seen this and got this from. And once I go back through my video history, I'll realize who it came from, and I'll put everybody in the description box. So, okay, that's not bad. I like it. Oh, I also have some Kool-Aid on deck. Some red Kool-Aid. But I do apologize. I have not done any videos in quite some time. Um, I have been going through some personal issues financially and um, more so of a battle. I can't really go into detail right now because of the severity of the situation. Um, I will say it is amazing how someone can lie on you and your life change dramatically. Excuse me. But it's so it's crazy. But I've been dealing with that. But I still been watching y'all. Been watching. We love as usual. Auntie Tasty and Auntie Lisa Michelle show. Um, um, who else have I watched? Of course, KC Connections, Steph and Tosh. I'm already said Chasing Mukbang. I love this Michelle. And of course, Be Love. Be Love's Life. What is her name? I'm so sorry, guys. Jay Let's Eat. There are so many. I used to, when I started watching mukbangs, it started off with just Be Love. Then these other people came out of nowhere, so I started watching Steph and Tosh. I love Lisa Marcel, KC Connections, Tasty Mukbang Eats. There's just so many people out there. And even though I haven't really watched her in a while with all that was going on. I still shout her out because I was watching her channel, QDQ. And I won't go into details with that situation because it's already, everybody's already done their spiel, and I don't really get into a lot of the antics of drama and stuff like that. I don't necessarily agree with what she did, but I'm glad that she apologized and her and Be Love talking prayerfully. Things will work out where they'll be able to build that connection again with each other and possibly do a collab. I know a lot of people are like, no, don't do it. But I'm the kind of person where I have a forgiving heart. I haven't always been that way. You hear me? Oh yeah, I haven't always been that way. But who knows? But I'm going to do some more challenges this week. This is my first video in a long time. So please subscribe. Even do me a favor and post it to your channel and let people know, boy, let's grab this back. Or even if they don't know who I am, they can get to know me. Lady T Sensations in the Flavor Train. I watch her a lot. She is very funny. She's fun. A lot of her, you guys are funny in your own way. Jay Let's Eat is hilarious. Steph and Tasha, of course, they crack me up, especially their live videos. Viewer discretion is advised. Who else? Be Love is definitely hilarious. Her and her family, Nate, Alvin, Darius, they're all hilarious in their own way. Tasty Mukbangs and that. Auntie Lisa Michelle and Uncle Carl. Nuts. I love watching them. This is really good. It actually wasn't as hard to make as I thought it was going to be. But I was supposed to do some challenges from Tasty Mukbang Eats. And tonight I actually have to sit down, write out the ones that I'm able to do at this time. I want to do those. I'm actually going to start trying local restaurants and just giving you guys a review just in case you ever are in Columbus, Ohio. What's your lady teaching sessions? I love when she does that. um, there's so many. It's like when you go live, you just get amnesia. Like how I did that. You're trying to think of stuff, and it irritates the mess out of me. Because there's so many people I watch that I want to shout out when I'm on here, and I need to start writing. Excuse me. I need to start writing this stuff down. Getting full, y'all. Um, so many people I watch. But yeah, I will definitely be uploading more videos. I plan to do at least 3 a week to kind of get back in the flow. So please, please, please subscribe, comment, like. And if you have a channel, please, if you want to put me on your playlist or let people know who I am. I know I have a very big channel. It was very, 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 very small. At least right now. Oh, glory. So God do what he do. But I'm appreciative of those who I do have. I haven't ate all day. And it's like when you haven't ate all day and you finally eat, you get full so quick. Stop being full. Just eat it. Just eat it. I think that's about it to catch you guys up on. Just keep me, guys. Keep me, guys. That don't make sense. Keep me in your prayers. Lot going on, but I choose to believe. Work everything out. The pickle is actually really, and I'm actually not a big pickle eater. So I'm not big. Clearly, see, at least right now, I'm getting on my weight loss. But I'm not a big pickle person at all. Not a big pickle person. But this is pretty good. And even the regular, like fried breaded pickles, I'll eat them from time to time. I won't order them like myself, but if somebody else is eating it or have ordered it at a restaurant appetizer or something, if I'm hungry, I may try it, but I'm not like, but you'll definitely see these again. Definitely. Those are not bad at all. I have to actually try the Hot Cheetos chicken wings and the Hot Cheetos mozzarella. There's so many Hot Cheeto things. Well, I'm not actually my hot Cheeto person. I know it's funny. Some of you guys were saying you are not a hot Cheeto person at all and have did the hot Cheeto challenges and have liked it, but you don't like hot Cheetos. I actually like hot Cheetos, so I figured I should like the challenge. um, but if you have any suggestions, what to do, you'll definitely see a seafood boil with the Be Love sauce on deck. I have to make me some more of that. Be Love, if you are watching this, when is the sauce coming out? I need some of that sauce because I know mine don't taste like yours. I know mine don't taste like yours. I know my sauce don't taste like your sauce because I know your sauce is, you can lick all fingers, maybe all 10. Mine, I'll give you that about three fingers of it. Not that I can't cook, but I know I can't top with you because you definitely, from as long as I've been watching you, you definitely can cook for real. And ain't just faking the funk. And you can tell because you always say, I like my flavor, and I'm the same way. And Be Love is actually about, I'm in Columbus, she's in Cincinnati, so about 2 hours, some change maybe. The way I drive, maybe less, way less, maybe 30. I'm just kidding. But it don't take me that long to get there. I would love to do a collab, seafood boil collab, and there's something else that she does that I wanted to try. I think it might be the turkey legs. Might be the turkey legs that she does in that sauce. There's so many things that she do. I could collab with her for a whole week. Her friends would be like, all right, get him off of here. We got enough. We have had enough. What else did I need to say, you guys? So yes, that's in the works. I would love to do a collab with Tasty Mukbangs. You know, I call her Auntie Tasty. And I would love to do a collab with the I Love Lisa Michelle show and Uncle Carl. Steph and Tosh, there's so many people that I would love to collab with. I do watch also Prissy P. I don't know why I've never, and it ain't no shade or nothing. I love her. She is so funny. Gang, gang, gang. Oh, I love Lisa Michelle's daughter. Is it Living Life with T? G Mama's World? I watched them too. I probably got it mixed up. I think it's G's Mama's. No, it's Living Life with T. But I also watch G Mama's World as well. I told y'all so many of y'all that I have subscribed to. And even I be trying not to subscribe, but I'm like, no, I couldn't do that because what if that was me? Here's so many of y'all. I wish I had a separate phone. Kind of. Y'all also, if y'all have any suggestions on recording devices right now, I'm using my rickety phone. If you have any suggestions on recording devices, please let me know on what to do, what to use to save stuff, or what type of camera, what type of lighting, what type of microphone connects to any suggestions you have to help my channel go forward. And I promise you guys, after today, I am going to definitely do my best to make more videos. So that is pretty much it, guys. I won't continue to talk you guys head off about nothing. I just wanted to let you know I'm back in action. I'm boiling scrub. Taste the mukbang, taste the mukbang, taste the mukbang, eat. Taste the mukbang, taste the mukbang, taste the mukbang, eat, y'all. Oh, because I'm country. Taste the mukbang, taste the mukbang, taste the mukbang, eat, y'all. Taste the mukbang, taste the mukbang, taste. It's somehow you tickle your own self. But this, guys, was absolutely delicious. Delicious, and I'm so upset. The other lady's YouTube that I watched, I cannot think of her. It's gonna bother me before I leave this video because I know her name on YouTube. Uh, oh, I do. I just start watching. I believe it's MK Bites as well. Um, I have watched um Dame Dash, Dame Dash's videos, but what has happened is some of the older people I used to watch all the time, like not older people like age, older channels that I've watched in the beginning, like P Love. Some of the newer channels came in is because of the rotation on my phone. When you go to click the button that it pulls up subscribes, it pulls up the way that it goes. It's like some people I've been watching for a while. It's like I haven't watched them in a while, so I have to go actually scroll or type in their name. So there's so many of y'all, but I'm so glad that you channels are doing really good. And like I said, there's so many more channels names that I am not thinking of off the top of my head. Um, I would also like to do, even though the church folk would kill me, but my channel is not a, how can I put it for the folk? It's not necessarily a Christian page per se. Will talk about that because I am a Christian. No, I am not perfect, and I won't claim or to be perfect because I don't want y'all to be like, oh, he said he's Christian, but he doing X, Y, Z on camera. I ain't trying to be perfect. Yeah, so I would love to do one with, I lost my track of thought. One with T.S. Madison. Y'all know she's a cusser. She's a cusser, so I would have to prepare. Y'all be like, really all that cussing? But she is hilarious. Hilarious. So, I'll see you guys later. Take my last. But, big lazy sensations. Big Bubba. Bubba. A big Bubba. Bubba. A Bubba. A big Bubba. Bubba. Big Bubba. This was delicious, guys. I will see you guys. Please like, comment, subscribe, share with anybody that you run across, your neighbor, your person across the street that always borrows some sugar from you. They got peanut butter in, but they ain't got no jelly. They got bread, but they ain't got a burger. They got ramen noodles, but no water. Tell everybody. Tell your greasy granny. No, I won't say that. That ain't nice. Tell your granny. It's just a joke. Don't take it serious. Tell your aunties, your uncles, the people you don't like. Tell everybody. Boy, let's grub. It's back. Alright, guys. See you later. Is I'm still on? I'm glad I ain't do nothing crazy. Like, they started to get up enough. I'm sorry, guys. Ooh. See you guys later.